In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Zapier with LinkedIn to automate your workflow. Are you manually exporting leads, posting updates, or tracking engagement on LinkedIn? What if LinkedIn activity could automatically trigger actions in other apps, like adding leads to a spreadsheet, sending email notifications, or updating your CRM? I'll walk you through the exact process, even if you're a complete beginner. Let's get started. Zapier is an online automation tool that connects your apps so they talk to each other automatically. In Zapier, these automations are called zaps, and every zap has two parts, a trigger and one or more actions. The trigger answers when this should run. The action answers what should happen next. With LinkedIn, common triggers include a new lead gen form submission from your ads, a new company page post, or a new connection via LinkedIn Sales Navigator. When that event occurs, Zapier immediately kicks off the workflow. Actions are the tasks that follow. For example, you could add a lead to Google Sheets, send a Slack notification, create a contact in your CRM, send an email through Gmail, or add a record in Notion or Airtable. You can chain multiple actions if you need to update several tools at once. To build it, go to the Zapier website and log in. Click the Create button and choose Zap to open the Zap Builder. In the Trigger section, search for LinkedIn, select it, and pick the event you want. If you want to capture ad leads, choose New Lead Gen Form Submission. Click Continue. Zapier will ask you to connect your LinkedIn account. Log in, approve access, and make sure the correct LinkedIn page or account is selected. Click Continue, then Test Trigger. Zapier will pull a recent lead or activity as sample data so you can configure the rest with real fields. Next, click the plus icon to add an action. Let's log every new lead in Google Sheets. Search for Google Sheets, select it, and choose Create Spreadsheet Row. Click Continue, connect your Google account, then pick the spreadsheet and worksheet where your leads should land. You'll now map fields. Zapier shows your sheet's columns, and you insert the corresponding LinkedIn data into each one. Map name to the name field, email to the email field, company to the company field, and job title to the job title field. This ensures each new submission fills the right columns automatically. Click Continue and Test. Zapier will create a real row in your sheet using the sample lead. Open your sheet to confirm everything looks correct. If it does, click Publish and turn your Zap on. From now on, each new LinkedIn lead can flow into your spreadsheet, your CRM, your email tool, and even notify your sales team in Slack. For a practical example, imagine running LinkedIn ad campaigns. Every submission can be logged in Google Sheets, added to HubSpot, Salesforce, or Pipedrive, trigger a welcome email in Gmail, and create follow-up tasks in Asana or Notion. No more manual exporting, just clean, real-time automation working in the background.